Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Maleka's Handymandy. I hope you have watched the previous videos and enjoyed them too. So let's start today's session. In today's lesson, we will meet the new letter and will learn its sound as well. So let's start with a jolly phonics song and identify the letter. The snake is in the grass, the snake is in the grass. The snake is in the grass. So, did you see what was the letter? Let's sing the song one more time and just see the formation, that how the finger is going. The snake is in the grass. The snake is in the grass. The snake is in the grass. So the name of the letter is S, and its sound is like snake does. Come on, you also try. Now let's listen the story of S. Sarah's mom and dad decided to take Sarah and her friend Sana to seaside on Sunday. Sarah collected seashells and Sana made a sand castle. It was a warm, sunny day. Mum applied sunblock to both children and they took sunbath. They really enjoyed that Sunday, and I hope you also enjoy your Sunday and spend it well. If you like the story and the video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe us. Thank you.